If you've ever wanted to connect face-to-face with multiple friends, teammates, or family members, all at once and right from your phone or computer, Telegram's group video call feature is your answer. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start a group video chat in Telegram, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel completely confident hosting your own virtual hangouts, meetings, or study sessions. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the group chat where you intend to start your video call. This seems obvious, but it's an important step because Telegram's group video feature only works inside existing group chats, so make sure you're not in a one-on-one conversation. If you're part of several groups, take a moment to double-check which one you want to connect with. For example, maybe you have a family chat and a work team chat, and you don't want to accidentally start a call in the wrong place. Go ahead and tap to open that group. You'll see the message history and everyone's avatars at the top. Next, you'll need to access the group info. Here's how. At the very top of the chat screen, you'll see the group's name or its icon, usually a little round picture or emoji. Tap that. By doing this, you open the group's details panel, which gives you more options and settings tailored to managing or participating in that specific group. This step matters because Telegram tucks away extra features behind this info panel, keeping your chat screen clean, but just a tap away from more powerful tools. Now with the info panel open, look in the top right corner for a set of 3 vertical dots these are your gateway to more advanced actions. Tap the 3 dots and you'll see a small menu drop down. There can be a lot tucked in here, like editing group settings or adding members, but for our purposes, you're looking for the option called Start Video Chat. If you don't see that, make sure you're in a group chat rather than a channel, as channels don't support video calling. Once you've found and selected Start Video Chat, you'll be prompted to confirm. Telegram wants to make sure you're ready, so it'll show you a blue button that says Start Video Chat. Tap this and the call begins. You might have a brief pause while the connection initializes, especially if your internet is a little slow. Don't worry, that's normal. You'll pop into a waiting room view, and now all other group members will see an invitation in their own Telegram screens to join the video chat. They don't have to be on the app right at that moment. As soon as they open Telegram, they'll see that the call is in progress and can jump in. If you're hosting a meeting or just want to hang out while others trickle in, feel free to start chatting while you wait. People can join and leave as needed, and you can even share your screen to present documents, slides, or fun memes with the group. Group video calls on Telegram are flexible. Think of them as virtual rooms that fit your needs, whether it's a quick catch-up or a brainstorming session. And that's all there is to it. You're now ready to organize video calls with any of your Telegram groups. If you found this guide useful, please hit that like button. It really helps out. If you have questions or run into any issues starting your group video calls, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And if you want more practical Telegram tips and tech tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.